Local multi-billionaire businessman Chivhayo, a close associate of President Mnangagwa, has rejected his estranged wife Sonja Matskanda's massive financial and property claims, saying they were not legally married and she must move on with their life instead of making noise for him peddling a series of unfounded allegations. Chivhayo rejects estranged wife claims that was subscribe or like it on the bell icon. The man no more hashtags legal battle erupted between Chivhayo and Matskanda of following their separation. Matskanda filed a staggering claim in the High Court seeking a multi-million dollar settlement and a vast collection of assets. She has also launched a court action against Chivhayo in South Africa. Matskanda's legal team, through Mahoney Gidiri Law Chambers, filed summons for a lump sum of $25 million maintenance settlement, which include monthly spousal maintenance of $40,000 to cover your living expenses. She also wants an additional $1 million annually for holidays and entertainment and full coverage for the couple's 2 children's education, medical care, and general welfare. Matskanda is further seeking exclusive ownership of several high-end residential properties and a fleet of vehicles, while also laying claim to Chivhayo's private jet. The upmarket properties she wants include properties in Glayton and Blantyre Park, as well as a luxury apartment in Sandton, Johannesburg, South Africa. She's also claiming 7 luxury cars, including 3 Rolls Royces, a Mercedes-Benz Maybach, and a Range Rover Lexus SUV. Matskanda has even laid claim to a private jet, which she alleges was originally purchased through a company they co-directed. However, Chivhayo, through Mupofu Majat Chambers, has outrightly dismissed the staggering demands as frivolous and vexatious. She says their union was an unregistered customary law marriage and therefore does not provide a legal basis for spousal maintenance or asset division, Chivhayo wrote on social media. Doma developments adipopangwa ino. Pinakoma section medo zamafuro imurudi mamsuru pena wa Chivhayo e. So subscribe or like chito on the bell icon.